I loved a fellow from the University of Chicago, one of the students, and the first question that was asked to me is, what are we learning that's most wrong? I wish they'd ask that sort of thing of the panel here.
How do you handle that in one session?
Yeah. But it was holy writ 25 years ago, efficient market theory, that I never understood how you could even teach it. I mean, if you walked in the first 5 minutes, you said to the students, everything is priced properly. I mean, how do you kill the rest of the hour? But they did it, and they got PhDs for doing it well, and the more Greek symbols they could work into their, their writings, the more they were revered. It's astounding to me, and it may have even given me a jaundiced view of academia generally, is the degree to which ideas that are nutty take hold and get propagated. And then I read a quote the other day that may have partially explained it. Max Planck was talking, the famous physicist, that Max Planck was talking about the resistance of the human mind, even the bright human mind, to new ideas, and particularly the ones that had been developed carefully over many years and were blessed by others of stature and so on. And he said, science advances one funeral at a time. And I think there's a lot of truth to that, and it's certainly been true in the world of finance.